this out. It's a cup holder.
How are you?
Good, but what happened to your bumper? That doesn't look too good.
He's already noticed it from off in the distance. You're talking about this thing, this little...
Yeah.
I went head into a parking spot and the whole bumper bent underneath the car because it's so low. And I mean, it's fine, but the paint's just a little damaged. Good thing we have a new set of bumpers right there. Alrighty, how's it going, guys? Chris here, the Supercar Suspects. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. To the left of me, we got Dre here, Mr. Suited Racer. We got Mr. IS300 Guru Master Tata over here, and of course, right behind me, we got the manual IS300. Because as you guguys could tell by the title above, we got some more goodies for the car. Right over here, we got the front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, rear over fender, front over fender. And so what we're going to be doing today is unwrapping all of these, test fitting them on the car, and hopefully if we have some time, throw the front bumper on. The car's looking pretty damn good. It's a little bit dirty. I have been on the drift spares for the last few weeks, just drifting every possible turn I could find. And other than that, guys, everything else is still the same on the car. The Home Depot, baby.
Today's video is sponsored by the Home Depot.
This thing smells like absolute ass, but we have gotten all the bubble wrap off here almost, and the guy said it might have some cracks, so you should definitely check it out before you leave here. So what did I do? I did not check it for cracks. I drove all the way an hour back home, and it might be cracked, who knows? Thank God we've got some pre-drilled holes in here. It takes absolutely no work to put this rear bumper on. It's the same one you have, huh?
Yeah.
It's basically the same exact one he has, and it's come with this diffuser underneath it also.
Car's too low for the diffuser, really.
The car may be too low for the diffuser. You are right.
What is that?
That was not there the last time I drove the car. Is that a fucking acorn? Like there's something. Should I just toss it?
Leave it alone.
It's like a pile of shit to me. I think it's in the palm tree. Back where it belongs. There's about 6-7 bolts up top here, a few bolts on the side, and this front bumper comes off of the car. And in today's video, we're going to be installing the brand new front bumper and rear bumper on the car. As you guys can all tell, this is the brand new 73-inch GT3 wing for the IS300. Psych!
Chris, I don't think that side skirt is the same as mine. It's the same as the one I had before, the one that I have right now. When my car was silver, it had this little fake vent that does absolutely nothing.
I just break the whole side skirt. Can you come out? And right underneath this bubble wrap, we have the brand new front over fender for the IS300. This is about 12 millimeters, I think, wider. This is the widest option for the car. And if you come on over here, as you guys can all clearly tell, we're gonna be needing some new wheels for the car. So that's up next. This is so fucking wide. Oh my God. We are currently test fitting the side skirt here when I dropped it in that earlier clip.
Oh my God.
We might have cracked it already. Was it worth it? Absolutely. The front and the side skirt is perfectly aligned here. The doors open perfectly. The bolts are aligned. But in the rear over here, we got to do some more work here to adjust this fitment. What on earth is this?
Wow.
It's a double barrel extendo lighter.
Wow. Look at the inside.
Oh, fuck, it's still alive.
It's alive. Jesus.
We've got the torch here, and we're going to send this motherfucker. Ow! It's going to crash into my car. We may need to take the bash bar out. Well, the bash bar is now out of the car, and we have a loose Black Widow on the floor here somewhere, and I fucking hate spiders. Me and Dre are saying this looks very ricey on this car. Do we just go no front bumper? I don't know. The fitment on this front bumper is absolutely horrendous, so what we've all decided here to do is no front bumper, huh? I'm thinking we do a bash bar and paint it the same color as the wheels. Nothing ever works out, huh?
Nothing ever works as planned.
So what we're going to do on the front end, we're going to order a bash bar that's going to go across here, obviously, and it's going to be painted the same color as the wheels. So that should look pretty damn good for the front, but the rear end, we got to throw this new back bumper on. This car is obviously going to be a full-on drift car, so the front bumper is not going to be any use for us. I'm not going to run front plates, none of that stuff or anything. So what we did is zip tie the fog lights up over here. Just like that, the front end is done.
The front end is done?
The front end is
but our bumper is still sitting there.
Completely done. Hope you guys enjoyed our front bumper install here today. Car looks just fucking fantastic. It's taking a little longer than usual, but nothing we didn't expect here. 2 bolts up here in the middle. We took the taillights out to make sure the fitment here is absolutely perfect. We did have to drill a hole here to make it flush.
You want a bigger?
Make the hole big. Oh, fuck me. This nipple pops through this hole, makes it nice and flush over here. The taillight's gonna go over that, This hole's got to be opened up a little bit more. That's what she said. Quick little 10-minute install, huh?
That's it, bro. 10
Quick,
minutes.
guys. 10 minutes, we're done here.
Bro, the sun's going down.
I'm surprised, yeah. I'm surprised it's still fucking light out, bro.
As you guys could tell behind me, the sun's going down, and we've been here since 12 p.m. So, well, we've been going at this rear bumper for a few hours now. Absolutely horrible fitment, but after some chopping and some drilling and after sanding down and all this bullshit, it's on the car. 3 hours later, we have installed the new rear bumper on the IS300.
It looks good, but you should enjoy it while you can, because once I pull out of here, it's on the floor, bro. It's just coming off.
Still on? Alrighty guys, making our way back home. Unfortunately, the car's a little bit too low for street driving. The back right wheel is scraping all over the rear bumper, sparking shit up. It's not good. Do not forget, the LA show is November 28th. Make sure to mark your calendars. The registration is open down below in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys next time. Peace.